quality, value, integrity. That's how we do business at Champion Chevrolet Buick GMC. We offer a great selection of new and GM certified pre-owned models, as well as top quality pre-owned vehicles of all makes and models. Here's the vehicle for you.
The 2015 Buick Encore is ready for your journey. The Buick Encore is powered by an efficient, power-dense Ecotec 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is available, so you can throw caution to the wind, rain, or snow and go anywhere you want. Encore's interior is loaded with premium materials, ingenious design, flexible storage, and purposeful technology. The IntelliLink system will leave you speechless the instant you talk to it. It's a voice-activated, color-connected infotainment system. It connects your smartphone, your Pandora and Sirius XM stations, and Stitcher Smart Radio in one 7-inch full-color screen. Encore takes safety to a whole new level with 10 standard airbags and available features such as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and all-wheel drive. These technologies combined with great Buick standards like StabiliTrak and OnStar. The 2015 Buick Encore, a spontaneous utility vehicle.
Take advantage of the transparent buying experience at Champion Chevrolet Buick GMC and drive away in a new or certified pre-owned Chevrolet, Buick, or GMC vehicle. Come in today and find out why no one beats a champion. Visit us online at driveachampion.com or in person at 502 South 1st Street in LaGrange, Kentucky.
Let us show you why no one beats a champion.